Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to share a sign-up sheet on Google Drive. So we're going to go into our Google Drive account and then we're going to open up the document we want to share. I'm going to pick this one. This one is for book report interviews. We can come over here to share and then we just enter in the email addresses of the people that we want to share it with, and if they're already in your contacts, it will be super easy to share with them. So once we've shared those, we'll just push send, and then we want to send them the link so that they can edit it. And there we go.